Hello everybody, today I'm gonna be replacing the fuel common rail, which is this one here. I did a video about removing the oil cooler housing, and I wanted to make a different video to show you how to replace the fuel common rail. In this case, this one is leaking from this corner right here where this fuel line goes. So the first thing to remove this fuel common rail, you have to remove the two lines that are here, then go to the fuel pump. In this case, I already have them removed because I already replaced the fuel pump and the air compressor seals. The next step is to remove all this wiring from here. To remove this, is you just turn this one to the left like this, and then pull it. The same for the other side, and then we have to remove all the clips here on the engine harness and all this wiring from here, so we can make some room to remove this plug and this plug too. We're gonna remove all these plugs, all this wiring, so we can make some room to remove the whole fuel common rail. Okay, the next step is to remove these fuel lines, the 6 fuel lines from the common rail, and remove this return line, this right here. So I want to remove these 10mm bolts. There is 3 sets of 2, and then I'm gonna pull the whole fuel rail out. So here I have the new fuel rail. This is the part number. So here is the new rail. I was compared to the old one. It comes with a new sensor and the new pressure regulator on the back. So now all I have to do is to place the rail here. And now I'm going to place the clamps, then holes, the fuel rail. But remember, don't tighten yet. Now I'm going to replace all the injector line seals. Now I'm going to insert all the injector fuel lines, but I want to align the rail. That's right, we need to leave it loose, so I can leave the lines in the right position with the rail. Okay, all the fuel lines are on place and fully tied. Now I'm going to tie the clamps, then holes the fuel rail. Remember to tie them all. I'm going to be installing new fuel pressure lines, the one that go from the fuel pump to the fuel rail. So here is the part number, and it comes with a kit with the 2 fuel lines and the brackets and the bolts. Okay, all the fuel lines are fully tied, they're on place. Double check that everything is tight and secure. I'm going to reinstall the wiring, and then after putting everything back together, all the other stuff that I remove, I'm gonna start the engine and I'm gonna inspect for leaks. With the engine running, I'm gonna inspect for leaks and the common rail. I'm gonna inspect for fuel leaks. Okay, this is all I'm going to show you about the common rail replacement, the fuel common rail replacement. If you have any questions about this video, just comment below and I will answer as soon as I can. Please like the video, share, subscribe, and thank you for watching.